Hi students, welcome to our second video of second number topic Windows operating system, that is the OS. Okay, dear students, we are learning graphical user interface. Interface means the communication between user and computer. Okay, using input and output device is called an interface. Okay, CUI means character user interface. This interface we can interact with computer through command, or it require grammar, that is a grammatic. Okay, is coding. But in graphical user interface we not require command. We can operate a computer using mouse. Graphical user interface, in this interface the graphics means symbol with picture, they are the extended version, means interface. It use graphic object to help the user interact with the computer. In the Windows operating system, commands are given by clicking on small picture, symbol or word. They call graphics. In GUI, there no need to remember the command as they are graphic based. I told about this. In character user interface, we require command to do our work or to do anything in CUI, but in GUI, mean graphical user interface, we not require command. We use a mouse or symbols. Okay, we can click on symbol, we can click anything, so we do not require a command. Then next, what is the difference between GUI and CUI? First, CUI stand for character user interface, but GUI for graphical user interface. Then in CUI, user has to interact with the application by making use of command. In CUI we require command. Then in GUI it is user interface which user interact with application by making use of graphic or visual clue, means mouse, stylus pen or smart pen we can use for in GUI. Okay, in CUI only one task can run at the time. Dear student, in CUI means character user interface, at one time we can do one time only, means one task at a one time. In GUI more than one task can run simultaneously, but in our graphical user interface we can do many tasks, that is the for we listen music with typing. Okay, that are the graphical user interface. CUI is not easier to navigate the GUI, means it's in CUI we not easy to navigate with GUI. GUI is much easier to navigate than CUI. We can handle easily in GUI. CUI where user has to type on keyboard to proceed. Okay, in CUI we require keyboard to type and proceed. GUI which make it possible to use a mouse inserted by keyboard. In graphical user interface we can use a mouse to interact with the computer. Okay, it is the main difference CUI and GUI. Dear students, you can note down your notebook and remember that. Then next point, types of operating system. I told about this. Dear student, operating system is a system software. There are two types of software. For example, system software and application software. A Windows operating system means operating system is a system software. Means system software means they can operate all over computer system. Okay, but application software is a small program. For example, Paint, Word, okay, Notepad. These are the small program, that is the application software. But system software is the operating system, means Windows, Linux, they are the system software. Okay, now types of operating system. in operating system means system software. There are some types. First, two types of operating system was developed by in the marketing today. First, Linux operating system, and second, Windows operating system. Okay, just one in market there are two types of OS are available, Linux and Windows. We get information about this. First, Linux operating system. This operating system was developed by Linus Torvalds. Later on change were made by many programmers. Dear students, Linux is a operating system. This operating system is a freeware, means we can use it for our uses, means we can change it and we can use it. These are the user friendly, means they are a freeware operating system. Okay, then next operating system is a Windows operating system. This operating system is developed by an American company, Microsoft. Microsoft is one of the world famous company. They can develop a OS, that is the Windows. In this operating system you can see a screen with picture or symbol. Each program, for example WordPad, Paint, run in a separate rectangular area on the screen called window. Means in computer system, that is a Windows system, each and every program, for example Word, Paint, Notepad, games, run separate rectangular screen. It's called window. Okay, hence name window. Okay, it is the world famous operating system. Then next point is booting. What does mean booting? Okay, you cannot start computer immediately, means you cannot start working on computer immediately. Okay, means booting. This ones when you start computer, but we cannot start computer, that not start work immediately, but after switching on the computer, as the program stored in the ROM check the basic input and output device and then load the operating system. This sequence of operation is called booting. When the computer is booting, you can see some number and word scrolling on the monitor. Dear students, म्हणजे काय, आपण ज्यावेळेस कम्प्युटर स्टार्ट करतो त्यावेळेस आपण लगेच कम्प्युटर वापरायला सुरुवात करत नाही किंवा आपण लगेच कम्प्युटरवर काम करायला सुरुवात करत नाही, पण आपल्याला काही 1 मिनिट आपल्याला थांबावं लागतं. म्हणजेच काय, तर कम्प्युटर काय करतं, त्याचे जे प्रोग्राम्स आहेत ते लोड करतं कुठं, हार्डवेअरमध्ये, आणि ते चेक करतं सगळे हार्डवेअर्स आहेत का. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इनपुट आउटपुट डिव्हाइस, कीबोर्ड, माऊस, CPU सगळं आहे का व्यवस्थित, हे सगळं चेक करतं. या सर्व प्रोसेसला काय म्हणायचं, बूटिंग. Okay, you understand booting means? Booting means after switching on the computer, as program stored in the ROM check the basic input and output device and then load the program, that is the system software. This sequence of operation is called booting. When the computer is booting, you can see some number and words scrolling up on the monitor. When booting, then some number and some instruction are going on, that is starting a window is a booting. You understand booting? Then next types of booting. There are two types of booting. First, cold booting and warm booting. What is first cold booting? A cold booting is the start of computer from the beginning, that is the form of switched off state. It is also called hard booting. The computer always start with the cold booting. When you start computer first time, means off switch off, your all total computer system is off, then we start the computer, it is called cold booting. Okay, it is also called hard booting. But warm booting means it is a booting, resetting the computer where operating system is already on by pressing Ctrl Alt Delete key. It is the also called the soft booting or reboot. म्हणजे वॉर्म बूटिंग म्हणजे काय, ऑलरेडी कम्प्युटर सिस्टीम ऑन आहे तर तुम्हाला रिबूट करा असेल. रिबूट म्हणजे काय, कम्प्युटर थोडक्यामध्ये बंद होऊन पुन्हा चालू होतं, म्हणजे पूर्ण कम्प्युटर बंद होत नाही, त्याला म्हणायचं वॉर्म बूटिंग. वॉर्म बूटिंग इज अ रिसेटिंग द कम्प्युटर वेअर ऑपरेशन सिस्टीम इज ऑलरेडी ऑन बाय प्रेसिंग Ctrl Alt Delete की. इट इज द कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट बूटिंग और rebooting. Okay, they are